Young people today have many financial challenges. From managing student debt to the rising cost of living and a changing employment landscape, it's more important than ever to understand how money works and learn how to make it work for you. And that's why we created the Money Experience, a better way to learn about money with a focus on your priorities and quality of life. The Money Experience is a new way of teaching financial literacy that doesn't stress math. Instead, we help students understand how money works in life and the relationship between their decisions and their goals and priorities. We combine classroom exercises, discussions, and lessons with a unique interactive life simulator. We use a graphic novel format to convey ideas with relatable characters to help students make abstract concepts easy to understand. Students are asked to rank their priorities and are then confronted with many real-world choices and options. Each of these choices have financial as well as quality of life consequences. At the end of each life chapter, a summary page lets them know how their unique decisions have affected their bottom line as well as their quality of life. There are no right answers, just real-world consequences. The simulator and curriculum covers the whole arc of life decisions, from going to college, getting a job, buying a house, and having a family, right through to retirement planning. It's designed as 10 45-minute units and can be taught as an intensive 2-day workshop, a 1-week camp, or as an after-school class during the semester. Instructors can get up to speed quickly and efficiently with our online teacher training and certification program at a time and place that's convenient to them. Give us a call or drop us an email. We'd love to talk with you.